I got this 5-minute set JB Weld epoxy. It looks like it's going to take about a half an hour to set, but it worked. And I can't tell you how old it is, but I just tested some and it's working. So here we go. I'm going to let it rip, and I'm going to let it all rip. There it is, all of it. Boom. Oh. It's okay. No need to panic. Don't be alarmed. I've got this under control. That I'm not using. The whole bag that they came out of was sticky. All right, here we go. Now use that. You can see it turning. Nice little pearlescence to it. And you can mix it as long as you want. Just make sure if you're mixing something, I don't care if it's paint, if it's fiberglass resin, if it's epoxy, polyester primers. Mix it. Mix it properly. You mix it good enough, you can scrape the sides of that cup and everything. And you can use all your materials. If I'm lucky, I'll get me like 22 little blobs. It is not gonna take much. Don't overdo it. Uno. Don't drip it. Dos. Nice. Nice. I've got each one marked where I'm going to clamp it. And I've got time to work it, so I'm in no hurry. Get your little scoop, both sides. That's the way I want to do it, both sides. Of every brad hole and clamp. Just a little scoop. Put a little bit around here. This is where our hole is for our mechanism. Clamp here. There's that nail. I'm going to go ahead and seal that nail in there. I use the punch, and I got a below sea level there. You don't have to put it all the way to the end either. Let's see, I want one more right there, and right there, there. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Okay. I think we're good. Now watch me as I perform and put a rabbit in his hat. All right, she's got to be a little shy of the top. There. Looks great to me. We're gonna let it dry.